Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're on page 166 of your student journal, page 166. And today our objective is decompose numbers, sums to 7 and 8. So remember, decompose means we're going to break apart those numbers. And what's new today is our sums. Sums is an addition keyword. Our sums are going to be larger. They're going to be 7 and 8 now. So our sums are getting larger. Okay, so to do this, remember, I'm going to scoot this up. We're going to be using number bonds. And number bonds, we put the whole at top, and the whole equals part plus part. And once we make our number bonds, we get to fill in our equations, because our equations are whole equals part plus part. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to get started on my first problem. And my first problem says, decompose the number 7 into a number pair. So they want me to decompose the number 7 into a number pair. Okay, so I'm going to get started with 7. My whole is 7 today. Okay, ready? So in my whole, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I have to decide how I'm going to break this up, how I'm going to decompose it. I think I might put 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put 4 here, friends, how many are left for here? Don't I have 1, 2, 3 left? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is my whole then? My whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my first part, because it's whole equals part plus part, so my first part is 1, 2, 3, 4. And my second part is 1, 2, 3. So my equation is whole equals part plus part, or 7 equals 4 plus 3. Now friends, that's not the only way I could have decomposed 7. Let's see if we could, I'm going to break up 7 a different way. I'm going to decompose or break up 7 a different way. So my whole is still going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But what if this time I, instead of putting 4 here, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left to go here? Isn't there just the 1 left? Okay, and what do I know? I know whole equals part plus part. So my equation is whole equals part plus part. So how many is my whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my first part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my second part is 1. So both times my whole was 7, but see how I decomposed it differently? So remember, there's lots of different ways to do this, and that's just 2 ways. I could have done it even more different ways. Okay, let's look at my next problem though. Okay, my next problem this time says, decompose the number 8 into a number pair. Now they want me to do the number 8. So this time my whole is 8. Okay, so let's see what I can do. My number is 8. My whole has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I have to decide, how do I want to decompose this? Maybe I'm just going to put 2 here. 1, 2. Okay, if I put 2 there, how many are left that have to go here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do I know? My whole equals part plus part. And that's what my equation says. Whole equals part plus part. So my whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my first part is 1, 2. And my second part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now remember, friends, that's just one way I could do this. I could have done this a different way. Let's try a different way. Okay, let's still make my whole 8. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But instead of putting 2 here, what if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is left for here? Isn't there just 1 left? So that's a different way I could have done that. And I have whole equals part plus part. So what would my equation be this time? Whole equals part plus part. So my whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my first part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my second part is 1. So that's a different way we could have decomposed 8. So last time we did 8 equals 2 plus 6, and this time we did 8 equals 7 plus 1. You know, friends, there's so many different ways. See if when you stop the video, you can decompose 8 into different ways. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.